everyone, it's Donna from Hollywood, California. It's not just paint, it's art by Donna. And today I'm doing a test on using John's tool here. His pouring tool that he made for me. He handmade that for me. And yesterday I used Artist Loft pre-mixed pouring paints. Normally I don't use the pre-mixed brands, but I did yesterday. And today I was out shopping and I was in Hobby Lobby and I found these beautiful paints. They're pre-mixed, they're Master's Touch pre-mixed pouring paints. So I decided to give it a try, being that I used the Artist Loft yesterday. And I'm going to do it again using his pouring tool. Now, if you see how beautiful this came out, this was yesterday's pour. This is how beautiful the Artist Loft dries. Can you see that shine? That's just plain paint right out of the bottle. So we're going to give this a whirl and we're going to see how this one works out. We'll see how this dries. So I also mixed a few other colors here. So let me go through all colors first. I have a color shift, and this is blue violet flash. I have another color shift, which is turquoise. It's aqua flash turquoise brilliant. I have a Master's Touch antique gold. Now these are the pre-mixed pouring paints. This is a sapphire, and I'm going to use that straight out of the bottle. This is amethyst. These colors are actually beautiful. This is springtime blue. And this is lilac petals. How beautiful is that? So I guess I can go from light to dark. And I'll put some gold in between. And where is my white? I thought I had some white out here. And I'm not seeing my cup of white. I do have a little Amsterdam white here. Okay, I'll look for that in a bit. I just want to start this. I might not even need any. This is, I believe it's an 8-inch round canvas. So I'm just going to start pouring here. And I think I'm going to start out with the lilac petals. Beautiful color. And I'm not going to put too much paint on this canvas because it is quite small. And maybe I'll put a drop of gold in between his. And then I'm going to put some springtime blue. Maybe I'll put a little of that color shift in between. That was the aqua flash. What is going on here? Whoop. It's a little crooked. And this is the amethyst. I'm going to put a little of the blue violet. in between. And I'm sorry, but I'm a little confused as to what's going on here. I should have made sure that this was level. And this is the last color. And this is sapphire. And let me put some gold. And that's sapphire. And put some of that color shift in. What is happening here? Oh, shoot. Okay. Okay, so this is a little interesting. Okay, and here is my other color shift color, lilac. I'll put all of that in there. Oh, and these little cups came with the pouring paints. They came on top. I thought that was so beautiful. Yeah, let's see here. Yeah, they come like that. How cool is that? That's how they come. So you get, and they're all marked off in milliliters. So I thought that was really great. Okay, so this is going to come a little different because I'm having a little problem here with my colors. I do want to put a little more of this. And I did want to finish off my gold. I don't want to have any of these paints left over. Yeah, so we had a nice day shopping today. Really just went to Hobby Lobby and Target. That was enough for me. That was my big day out. Quite exciting. I'm going to get my spinner here, which is what I should have done from the beginning. Should have taken that out. All right. And oops, I'm going to put that right there. And I'm going to take this out. And one thing I do love about this is that it leaves a beautiful center. Right. Give this a little whirl in there. I'll move these paints over so we don't wet them with any paints. And I don't even think I really need any flow extender here. Yeah. So that's quite interesting. So this is a little different from the Artist Loft paints. They're not as vibrant. I did have a little problem, so I can't really blame the paints. Can't blame the paints for not reacting properly. If but we did get a nice colors. That pretty. That gold is really pretty. That was I did mix that myself. So I think the real test on this is going to be probably when it dries. Yeah, I had a problem in here, as you can see, because I didn't get any green in this area here. So I'm wondering if I should maybe I should. How about that? Okay, I'm gonna quit it while I'm ahead here. I love the way this came out. Quite beautiful. Not exactly what I was started out with, but I'm very happy with what I have. The color shift really did its job. Quite beautiful. I'll take you in for a close-up in a bit. Please remember, we have our galaxy pour. May the 4th be with you. I'll give you everything in the description below. You can find all the information down below. And I also have on May 8th, there's another collaboration with the Little Pouring family. So we have lots going on here. Please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and see all the wonderful artists I have listed down below. Don't forget, we're going to have prizes galore for May the 4th be with you. It's a galaxy pour, and there is going to be people from all over the universe, actually all over the world. So please be there or be square. Donna from Hollywood, California, signing off. Please don't forget, wait for the close-up. Thank you for coming. Although these paints were not good for the technique that I use it for, I think they'd be great for a Dutch pour or a flip cup. So I'm going to try that the next time. I think they'll be good for something else. Thank you. Have a great night. Bye-bye now.